Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. We are making a stir fry with brown sauce, and some of the ingredients here are scallop, cooked chicken, jumbo shrimp. I got bell pepper, shiitake mushroom, water chestnuts, and pea pod. And this is the puffy rice, which is the crispy rice. Let's get started. Medium high heat, some vegetable cooking oil. And we are going to pan sear the scallop first. And then the shrimp, just give them a quick sear, get them that flavor of the protein. And here we got some vegetable and the chicken already cooked, so we're not hurry at it in. Just 2 to 3 minutes, just lightly brown will be okay. Beautiful. Look at that, huh? Look at this, how beautiful. And this side we're gonna let them sear for maybe a couple minutes. This is the best way to cook your seafood, even for stir fry. Look at how beautiful that shrimp is. And now it's done. We're gonna take it out and sit on the side. Make sure not overcook the seafood. You want to give them a nice balance of texture. And here we're gonna add in some ginger and garlic mint. I'm gonna crank the heat to higher. And some hot chili oil, homemade hot chili oil. Yes. Give them a quick stir. Beautiful. Infuse the cooking oil. And now we're gonna add in this beautiful combination of vegetable, bamboo shoot, bell pepper, shiitake mushroom. And we're using the same oil that we just seared the seafood, so we have some flavor on the oil combined together. Now we all know the vegetable is fresh, so we don't need to cook for a long time. Alright, here we go. Add some sherry cooking wine, or Shaoxing wine, or sake, or mirin cooking wine. Little hoisin sauce for sweetness. Just tiny little bit like that. Just balance the flavor. Soy sauce. Give them a quick stir. Incorporate all the flavor. You see the smoke? Oh yeah. And now we're just gonna add some stock or just plain water. And let them bring up to a boil. It'll take about a few minutes. Once they bring out to a boiling point like this, we're gonna give them a quick taste. Wow, spot on, beautiful. Okay, so now we have this cornstarch and water dissolved mix. I have about 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch and a couple ounces water. I make sure they dissolve it, and we're just going to add a little bit cornstarch mix to this beautiful sauce at a time, a little bit at a time. And before you add any more further, you want to make sure the sauce bring up to your boil. If not, if you keep adding the cornstarch mix, eventually when they bring out to the boiling point, you're gonna have a thick as super glue. So you want to see how thick determined by the way you like it. Some people like thicker, some people like lighter. So it's about your home cooking. I think this is good for me. I'm going to bring out to a boil. And now I'm just going to simply add all my seafood in and drizzle sesame oil. Done. Here we go. Look at how beautiful the color, shiny, right? Look at how beautiful that is. You just created a very unique umami sauce with all the seafood and vegetable. This is just a store-bought puffy rice. Actually, they just make out from like a regular cooked rice. They dry out the cooked rice, break it apart, and deep fry it. So if you have this rice like super hot, just come out from the oil, hot oil, if you add it into the sauce, they go sizzle. That's why they call sizzle rice soup, sizzle platter. But at home, this is good enough for me. So we have this beautiful sauce with some rice. Wow. So good. This recipe is best to serve with rice. Absolutely. Simple, easy to cook at home. Don't make it too complicated. This is just as good, even better than the restaurant. Some scallop. Wow. Nice and tender inside. Got a brown outside. Beautiful. Combined shiitake mushroom and the chicken. I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.